With designing the Titan Warrior concept, a lot of the inspiration came from, pre-runner trucks, desert racing trucks, something that's really big in, where we live in Southern California. We see a lot of this type of vehicle on the streets and on the roads, and it's always just gaining in popularity. So with this, it was an opportunity to do the Titan, but do it in this highly aggressive, more enhanced off-road form of it. So we were excited to really do that, but then this design behind me is to do it in a way that's more robotic, more technical and stealth. So with this design, for an off-road vehicle, it basically starts off with having the suspension capabilities to handle the off-road. So that's where we started from, where we lengthened the track in each wheel about 95 millimeters, pushing that out, and we designed the front suspension, actually working with the engineers to design the suspension and even the arms in a way that's like muscle fiber or tendon, out to these 37-inch tires, which are like these claws that are ready to launch this truck. So that kind of started the base of this vehicle, which gave it this good stance, and then the body then came from that, where it's been widened out, over 6 inches to give it this really muscular look. It's very much this wearing the suit of modern armor. That's what this Titan is doing here, where it's all beefed up and muscular, and it's that warrior mask and that image of armor. Like when you look at the front end of this truck, you can see it's like this helmet it's been put on the front end of this, with a lot of the details, with making it more off-road capable. Like the skid plate is highly enhanced. It almost becomes like the front bumper, this really protective shield for the truck that interlocks into the grille. And then you can see with the lighting signatures, it really plays off the Titan T logo, is the front and the rear. And then a lot of carbon fiber composite materials around the truck, the fenders and the bumpers, make it feel really lightweight, strong, but also impact absorbing. And then there's other features like the hood vents for the added power of this truck, and then LED lights on the roof to really illuminate and spread far distance in the evening. And then the custom quad exhaust in the back as well, makes really show that this performance. There's a lot of grunt and power behind this. And there's also aerodynamic elements on the truck. There's a cab-mounted rear spoiler, and then the rear tailgate also has an integrated spoiler that make it feel more performance and aero. It's almost like Christmas, actually, when you sketch something and you see parts being created, and then you get to see different elements of the design. It's almost like opening Christmas presents when you see, it's that kind of feeling.